What? What, Lisa?
This kind of smells like Megan's armpit.
You want to tell Megan anything? You want to tell Megan anything?
Hi, Megan. And it smells like Marley, too. Oh, you should do wakeboarding. Is she on?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm tasing you. Ew, 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 it's Megan's hair.
It's Megan's hair. Ew. Megan, there's your hair. Can you see it? There. Lisa, want to say anything else?
Who's this?
That's Kaylee, I guess. I'm gonna watch it.